Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know what we about to do. We about to unbox this brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright, guys, so we got the iPhone 11 Pro Max here. Let's go ahead and get the, oh my, would you just look at it? Just look at it. Would you look at that? Hold on, let's turn around. Just look at it. Oh my. Simply gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Look at it. Just, oh my gosh. Just look at it, please. Just look at it. So freaking gorgeous. All right, now let's get it out. What we got here? Oh, focus. Designed by Apple in California. Look, my 8 Plus is what I'm recording on now. It's not ready for me to sort of retire just yet. So it's like, no, not yet. My 8 Plus doesn't want to see this beautiful beast of a phone we got here. Let's go ahead and get this protective film off. Oh yeah. Ooh, you hear that? Ooh! Oh my. This is the gold version, as you can see. Oh man, I'm telling you, that's just beautiful. That is simply beautiful, guys. I can't. Would you look at it? Look at that beautiful beast right there. Let's get a look from each angle here. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. All right, let's go ahead and power it on. Oh yeah. Power on for me, baby. Power on for daddy. I also have a case on the way too, so I'm going to be very gentle until I get my case in. Should be in sometime today. Hello. Swipe up to open. All right, so we're gonna choose Japanese because I'm Japanese. No, I'm choosing English. All right, let's see. Select my country. We are in the United States, of course. If you have an iPhone or iPad running, blah blah blah, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this iPhone manually. I guess I need to connect my iPhone 8 Plus to this now so I can do a quick setup on it. I almost forgot to show you what else was in the box here. So we have this right here, which seems to be your instructions on how to set up the phone. This is a SIM card removal tool. Some more generic information. And we also have some Apple logos here. We have the quick charger here, which they're supplying now, this is a big deal. It's a huge plus. We have our Apple earbuds here, headphones, and lastly we have our lightning cable, as you can see here. All right, so I just wanted to make sure I show you that. That is all of the contents within inside the box. So there it is. All right, so now I had to use my third phone so that way I could get everything set up here so you can see exactly what's going on. So let's continue through the setup. I'm going to not show you my password. All right, we got the password in here. We're going to finish setting up the phone now. That's it. It'll take a few minutes to activate your phone. Sure, take your time. Take your sweet time. Would you just look at that? Just look at it. You know what? Let me take this phone out of the case so you can get a good comparison between my iPhone 8 Plus and the 11 Pro Max. Not going to show my phone number. Oh, I'm not going to show my phone number there. That's not what we want to do. so we're gonna press next on this screen without showing you my phone number. All right, so let's see here. Authenticate user. I'm going to put my social security number in on this screen. Not going to show you that, of course. All right, got that in. Oh yeah, look at that beaut. It's actually about the same size as my 8 Plus, but the screen, of course, is a lot bigger. Look at that display. You got the extra, maybe a 1/4 inch or so up here, maybe a little bit more. Then you also have the same difference on the bottom. You don't have the button anymore, of course. I know that's been going for a while with the 10s when they came out, but I'm excited, guys. I'm very excited. I only upgrade my phone every 2 years, so when I do it up. You know what I mean? So you got to live a little, guys. You got to live a little. All right, so now we're gonna do this Face ID. Oh, I also just want to mention, Spigen also has some very nice cases. If you haven't used them, you should definitely check these cases out. They are very, very nice. I've dropped my phone plenty of times. This case keeps it protected. As you can see here, this is my 8 Plus, which I've had for a little over 2 years now. I mean, it is in perfect, immaculate condition, thanks to the case that I use. All right, back to Face ID. Let me continue here. All right, get started. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. So we're going to do that now. Interesting. First scan complete. We're going to go to the second scan here. Second scan complete. Okay, and it's only 2 scans. Face ID is now set up, as you can see. We're going to continue on here. As you can see, this is my phone here. Let's see, what data do we want to transfer? You can transfer all of his data and settings directly to this phone. Keep your other phone, your other iPhone nearby and connect it to power until the transfer is complete. Estimated transfer time, 1 hour and 30 minutes. I got a lot of stuff, so I guess it's worth it. Let's go ahead and continue here. All right, so now we're just gonna have to wait. I'm not going to even record this whole process because it's gonna take a while. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna stop it for here. Oh, wait, we got some terms and conditions. Just read through this, blah, blah, blah. Yep, agree. Probably just signed over my soul. I'm trying to agree. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, so like I said, I'm not going to continue recording this. I'm going to let it do its thing, and then I will regroup when it's done. All right, so that did not take anywhere near 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm not sure what it's trying to do now. So let's see, settings from the transfer, blah, blah, blah. Yep, continue. You can, of course, pause this if you want to read anything more thorough. Add Apple Pay card. Yeah, sure, we're going to do that. Continue. We're not going to show you my card numbers. I'm going to have to bleep that out for you. Oh, now I have to get my wallet and put my security codes on. BRB. All right, so we got both of those. We got my card information set up here for Apple Pay. It's telling us how to use Apple Pay here. It says double click the side button, authenticate with Face ID, and hold near reader. Use Apple Pay wherever you see one of these symbols below. Focus for me. There you go. All right, so we're going to continue from here. Do I want to use Apple Watch? Of course I want to use my Apple Watch. We're going to continue here. iPhone analytics. Help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your iPhone. You can change your decision later in settings. All data collected using privacy preserving techniques such as differential privacy and is not associated with you or your account. We're not going to do that. We're going to select don't share. Appearance. Okay, this is new. Let's see here. Appearance. Select a light or dark appearance and see how iOS adjusts depending on which one you choose. Let's see, dark. Oh my, we are using the dark. No need to go back to light. Continue. What do you mean reset iPhone to start again? Hold on, hold on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do you mean data transfer canceled? Reset? No, no. Okay, I don't know what happened here. How do we get out of this? We already went through this. Okay, so apparently I can't get. Alright, I guess we gotta erase iPhone and go back. Okay, well then, that was not a good first experience for me, to say the least. We're starting all over for whatever reason. Okay. I guess Apple did not like the fact that I did not want to share my information. Alright, round two. I'm not going to show all of this process. I'm just going to get back to the point where we were to begin with, and then we'll regroup from there. Okay, so I went back and reset this my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this time instead of transferring the data from this phone, I just went on ahead and decided not to do that. So everything seems to be going good as of now. I can do a zoom view on this screen or standard view. I think I'm gonna stick with the standard view for now. I can always change it later. My daughter's in the background. Hey, hold on. I'll be right there, baby girl. All right, so right here we says go home, swipe up from the bottom edge at any time. Okay, continue. Switch between recent apps, swipe up further from the bottom edge, then release to show your recent apps. Okay, continue. To quickly access controls, swipe down from the top right edge to open Control Center. Press and hold on a control to reveal more options. As Siri, simply press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Okay, we are here. Swipe up to unlock. Okay, swipe up from the bottom there. Face ID already saw me, and I was actually a ways back that time, to be honest with you. So we are all set. Everything is good to go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Got my phone all set up. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.